I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이
Hello, my beautiful friends. Nandito kami sa ano. Anong pangalan ng cafe, Gab? Ay, nakakain na kami dito pero hindi pa sila renovated, no? Nag-rebrand din. Iba pangalan. Ito yung order ko. Broccoli, chicken broccoli alfredo, grilled cheese, tapos blueberry kay Kuya Gab. Kasi nag-lunch na sila. Yan. Kay Patrick. Nag-lunch na sila. Ako hindi pa. So, ito ang aking lunch and dinner. Yan. It's so pretty.
Sa ngipin niya. Hindi niya ngipin mo. Ito eh. Kanina pa kami magkasama. Hindi niya nasabi sa akin eh. Pumunta pa daw sila. Matundo. Kumain pa daw na.
Gaan ang feeling. Ayan. Excess salon. Ano kuya?
Ang baba ng araw.
Sarado na. Ay, meron pa rin naglalaro. We're going home.
Hey!
Yes, Kuya
I
Gabi.
got a toy. I was asking Mama to hurry up because I really wanted to test
Show
this
them.
toy.
What is it?
A duck. I think it will fly.
Binili lang namin yan doon sa Korean grocery. Yeah, nagpagupit ako. Pagkatapos namin sunduin si Patrick, nagbayad kami kanina ng bills. Hindi ko na na-vlog.
I think
Wala akong plano mag-vlog. Kaya lang may pinuntahan kaming coffee shop. Nag-rebrand na, Gab. Napuntahan na namin yun noon. Nagandahan ako sa presentation ng pagkain nila. Tsaka masarap yung kape doon. Masarap din naman yung food.
does
Uwi na
this
kami.
Does this duck shoot out candy or does it fly? Tell me, guys.
They don't know it yet. Show them later. We'll go home. Hindi ko sure kung madudugtungan ko pa tong vlog na to. Kaya magpapaalam na ako sa inyo. Bye! God bless you!
Yeah, you said we will eat French fries in the store.
Next time, baby, okay? Sorry, I forgot. Hello, guys.
Hi.
Mali yung lagay ko yata ng mamamalengke kami. Tinanghali na kami.
Kuya, when we get home, can I play my...
Hanggang gabi naman yung palengke. Sama ko yung dalawa. Ay, hindi nakikita.
Not hot.
Nag-ano si Kuya Gabi muna sa Shopwise. Cash in sa Gcash. Ayan. Dito kasi may free of charge. Mamamalengke naman kami. Dadaan naman kami dito. So sabi ko, dito na lang siya. Ayan, wait namin siya. Kapakisilip ako ha. Sa likod. Ayan na naman siya. Nandito na kami sa palengke. Pakakainin ko sila dito at try namin.
Kuya, can I
Sila nagla-lunch. Kami, actually.
Late.
Do you love it?
Yes.
What do you call it? You know what you call it? Siopaw. Steam buns. Don't eat like that. Just use your fingers. Nakain sila dito sa karinderya dito sa palengke. Yan. Hungarian yun kay Kuya Gab. Tapos may longganisa yan kanina. Kay Patrick. Siopaw. Eat it properly. Bite it, not like that. Yes, it's bread. It's steamed buns.
There's buns. It's a color white bread.
Yes.
Mama, since now when I'm allergy of cats, I'm already scared of them.
Okay na po ate, may water kami. Thank you.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm playing Minecraft. Tick, 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 tick. Hey!
Sleeping. Oh.
You just don't know much about Christmas.
I know about it. I can make a whole mansion. Yes, I Patrick.
I don't want to take a power nap.
You have to.
No.
Ah, kuya.
Oh!
Phone at you.
Hey!
That's my phone.
Tumigil ka, that's bad ha.
Pansin ka.
You stop it.
That's not your phone, that's my phone.
Gabi, tali mo muna yun. Oh, yung basket. Itali mo yung lalagyan ng mga supot. Oo, para ano siya. Malaking tulong to sa akin. Ilang taon na to sa akin. Parang kasing edad ni Patrick, no? Mag 6 years na siya, oh. Tapos na kami mamalengke. Yes, it is. Because you will have your
Take a power nap.
power nap. Ayaw niya umidlip mamaya.
Yes,
kasi
you will.
maaga siya nagising. Konti lang naman pinamili ko. Ayoko na mamili ng maraming gulay kasi nasisira. Nagmamadali ako lutuin. Eh, etong dalawa, ayaw naman yan kumain ng gulay masyado.
Ah!